I don't know what this is. What is this? What's this? I think this is K. K. I don't know, but I think this is K. You know, I don't know. K. Yeah. Yeah, I got the 10 points right here. I got the 10 points right here. Yeah, it goes well with the K. I'm gonna keep my going. Oh, Jesus, I want something for this Spaniard. No, I can't deal with it. And then people don't know say me at 99 and a quarter. And some of the things that I can't manage. Oh Lord, my God, let me on someone. Consider time. You know, time for your home. Some of the home want to go on a timeout. So I have time right here. Me have my young king, you know, nice, beautiful young king. When I always want to get in my business. Oh my. Jesus. I'm sorry. What you call these again? Jalapenos. I'm sorry. What are these? Jalapenos? I'm white. It's the first time shopping here. You guys have to bear with me. Well, when I get back to the market, I'll ask them again. But I think these are jalapenos. Eggplants. Beautiful eggplants, voluptuous eggplants. Yeah, I'm white. It's the first time shopping in you guys' country. I didn't know that you have all these foreign somethings here. Yeah. Oh my God, what are these? I've never seen these before. What are these? Oh. They look kind of kiwi-ish. They look kind of kiwi. I'm not quite sure if these are kiwis. I gotta try them later. Yeah. You guys have a lot of nice stuff on here, man. You guys got a lot of nice things out here. Kiwis. I didn't even know I was buying these in the darks. Oh, that's two of the same thing right here. What are these? Lychee? Are these lychee, people? I don't know. I was just buying away because they all look good. Are these lychee? They're a bit hard. Fascinating. I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know. Something from the ground. What's this? I think this is K. K. I don't know, but I think this is K. You know, I don't know. K. Yeah. Yeah, I got the 10 points right here. I got the 10 points right here. Yeah, it goes well with the K. Oh, I know, when I ordered these, I said, give me Shana Chin. And they gave me these beetroot. Shana Chin beat any root. That's what she come here for, to beat the root. Who the root? So that's it. Let me put in my kiwis. That's it, folks. That's it. You guys' country got a lot of nice turf. A lot of nice turf you guys' country's got. I must say, I've been seeing you guys' country advertised on my televisions over and over, and I always want a vacation here. Yeah, and I said to myself, you think we should go? One of the time myself said to me, you sure it's not pure drunk running into that country? And that is why I wanted to come here for 8 years and I never come, because I believe that it's pure drunk running here. But nevertheless, I just gather up the courage and I say, I come in. I want to see if these drunk will fly high like eagles. But nevertheless, it's good so far. It's good so far. You guys not flapping your wings in my face. General Jesus, Megan Mal, look upon a ballad child, rub him head with coconut oil and slap him till him bow like a crocodile. We got some more 10 points. Woo! My vision now must come to fruition. Me supposed to can do x-ray when me done drink and eat this. Me supposed to can look on a girl and tell her so she a breed. All from a distance like Vanessa Williams. Then tell me the truth. Me not go see the cosmos. Me have to see the cosmos, you know. Me know say me can tell you which star will come out later. Cause it a push there already. Eh? Then suppose my 2 front teeth them did come down. Me just have to nibble pan them until lunchtime, you know. Believe you me. Oh Lord. Oh Lord my God. I'm in awesome wonder. Consider all thy hand hath made. Look on the rubies. Look on the Texaco. Look on the shell. Take a look good pan total. Hey, hey, come here. Who said this? Kellyanne. Skellyan! I'ma blend up some Skellyan over there, you know. I'ma blend up some green Skellyan over there. And some something. And some something Skellyan. No vampire to my neck. No handsome gunman to my neck. No vampire to my neck. You mad? Then come in, people. How is she? Then me never go cut up she no one put in the freezer. And me no want she water away from me, you know. Oh, cause then something coming like them might take water pill. Me no want she water away from me. Tell me the truth when God look. Me go chop up she later. Me have work. Me have work. You see them people here when me work for. Them not easy, not them something me have to do, you know. Oh, yeah. Come here. Watch you again. Them are nice, man. Them are nice. Style and fashion. We never out of pattern. Look at them, are nice. See? Talk shoot people. Them are really and truly nice. Then when a boy tell me say me shape like this, no credit that he might give me. When a boy say me shape like this, no credit or debit. Or which one of them? One thing done a little bit and done for my program, you know, someone I'm tired of, you know. I ask you a question, you know. Somebody said debit, somebody said compliment. Bitch, me never ask if a lady mark. Lady mark me on the class, yeah, Lady Mark. Lady Mark, when you come out the movie? So, credit, I credit. You not credit me? So when am I pay my back? Cause all the things you open your dirty mouth and tax to the boy you credit me. When am I pay my back? Tomorrow? Oh. So I compliment then Lady Mac, you're right. I compliment. Me, I look for some of this today. I'm gonna take out some beef in for stew. Cause I want to make some beef stew and white rice. But I want to make it thick and soupy. So I serve it. I'm glad to get the 10 point them. Then I chop them big. I chop them big and put in the beef stew with the pepper. Anybody coming for dinner? You know, so one boy said to me one time, said, babes, you know the reason why I'm there with you? You're just hot. You know, and I say, me hot? And him say, he's going to give me a favorite fruit. You know the boy give me? So when the boy give me this, I swear something for him. The first one I bite and I'm not in a lie.
Power off.
I forgot that at the same time because me and Abel walk like duck. Something that push out from behind where we don't with a spaceship. But my feel says a UFO. My feel says a UFO. Yeah. I said the boy say I'm going to buy me a fruit and when the boy bring a bag of this come give me, I start eat. I eat about half dozen before I could have really taste sour. Yeah, about 6 minutes before I could have really taste sour. I say people, I'm not in a lie. I saw the sun, the moon, the mountains and the river. I saw heaven when I am 6 of these. No, I not run them joke again. Sometimes the man them compliment me too much. Yeah, sometimes them over compliment me so till they look like them not know what them a do. Them not know what them a do, man. Yeah, a whole heap of wickedness some people put me through. Yeah, but that's why number one, I tell them say them have nothing to give me. Me start wait first. Me not bother say yeah quickly. Me not bother do them something. Me give up on them something now. Hey, I'm gonna my baby father do the wickedest thing in a life in a people. Auntie you go market. Keisha, you never hear say me in a wheelchair after me in a riding king. You never hear say me in a wheelchair you at home. Auntie you go market. When me go in market, Keisha have to do with you. One a little bit of bad mind people too much. Yeah, and this me I use against you, this. I knew you were coming. I knew you were coming, I'm happy you came late. I not run certain joke, you know. I not run certain joke, I'm not about to talk. I'm not deep with my man. Yeah, what I say, you know. This cover, nobody no crab it. Nobody has no crab it. Can you hear me calm and attack? You go like say me attack aggressively. Nobody has no crab it. So I'm come talk about nobody crab it here, so. Oh. Until that the boy is supposed to give me money. Come in and tell you already. I'm telling you some man work after we not careless. We not careless. My man work. So when you come out at morning time, I know where I'm going now. All the time in their course. All the time in their course. I never born him again. I look at him, I never follow him, I did all land. Auntie Daphne, I kiss your teeth. The pants. May I block you? May I block your Auntie Daphne? Yeah, people. We take cook the beef, you know. But we want to cook the beef for true people. What do you think? Yes, sir. Ground seasoning, best thing. Come on. Me that give the garlic, you know. Me that give the garlic because you're a little bit infected. Yeah, you alone. Me know as a baby drop an eagle that was not yours. Yeah. Remember you're the first baby doctor pronounced with wax and cannon. Remember you're the first Blackfoot baby. And he's a brown little child. And you did wear the Alpha Adidas black socks as a fetus. Me if I love you, come on. Go tell Flowers bench is not there yet. Then Flowers the real estate people not name red meat during the holiday. Then me not think Flowers did religious. Me not think Flowers did a walk with a palm tree. Me not think I did Flowers Jesus sent for the donkey. I mean 29. Oh, we don't get so. They want to advertise it already for go like a gospel. I want to go on a little bit of friend of the first Flowers that keep something. On a little bit of friend, man. I'm not too damn new. Yeah. We're not gonna make me eat everybody but I share, you know. I mean I want it, you know. I don't want it, you know. No, Mom said anti-wire fish so expensive. Mom said come eat the water away. Come eat the water away. Mom said that your last name, Shebada fish. But not selling chicken for sure. Not selling chicken, my baby. I'm market, my go. Oh, Jesus, I want something for rest. This Spaniard, no. I can't deal with it. And then people don't know, say me at 99 and a quarter. And some of the things that I can't manage. Oh Lord, my God, and let me on someone. Consider time. You know time for your home. Some of the home want to go on a timeout. So I have time right here. Me have my young king, you know, nice, beautiful young king. When I always want to get in my business. Oh my. Jesus. I'm sorry. What you call these again? Jalapenos. I'm sorry. What are these? Jalapenos? I'm white. It's the first time shopping here. You guys have to bear with me. Well, when I get back to the market, I'll ask them again. But I think these are jalapenos. Eggplants. Beautiful eggplants. Voluptuous eggplants. Yeah, I'm white. It's the first time shopping in you guys' country. I didn't know that you have all these foreign somethings here. Yeah. Oh my God, what are these? I've never seen these before. What are these? Oh. They look kind of kiwi-ish. They look kind of kiwi. I'm not quite sure if these are kiwis. I gotta try them later. Yeah. You guys have a lot of nice stuff on here, man. You guys got a lot of nice things out here. Kiwis. I didn't even know I was buying these in the darks. Oh, I got two of the same thing right here. What are these? Lychee? Are these lychee, people? I don't know. I was just buying away because they all look good. Are these lychee? They're a bit hard. Fascinating. Fascinating. I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know. Something from the ground. What is this? I think this is K. K. I don't know, but I think this is K. You know, I don't know. K. Yeah. Yeah, I got the 10 points right here. I got the 10 points right here. Yeah, it goes well with the K. Oh, I know. When I ordered these, I said, give me Shana Chin. And they gave me these beetroot. Shana Chin beat any root. That's what she come here for, to beat the root. Who the root? So that's it. Let me put in my kiwis. That's it, folks. That's it. You guys' country got a lot of nice turf. A lot of nice turf you guys' country's got. I must say, I've been seeing you guys' country advertised on my televisions over and over. And